Okay, so I want all of you to open your chat box wherein I've pasted few links right away. So first link is of syllabus link. You can check your syllabus on this particular link. In case you are not enrolled yet, no need to worry. You can complete your payment process and you can join the batch. We are always welcome to take up the feedback. For that, you just need to fill up this form. Yes, you have complete right to know about detailing this batch. So you can click on this whole batch link and you'll get to know. In case you have any further queries, always feel free to email us at support@olympiadsuccess.com, or you can drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. With this, now I would like to invite your mentor at the platform, Vicky sir, to just have a quick introduction with you. Over to you, Vicky sir. Vicky sir, can you hear me? I think there is some internet error. Vicky sir, can you hear me?
Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, you need to give an introduction and then we will have a dashboard tour. Then you'll be going to do the teaching parts.
Voice was not clear, ma'am.
Am I audible to you now?
Still not clearly audible. Am I audible to all of you students?
Yes, you are audible, sir.
So my introduction is my name is Vicky Singh, and I have been teaching from past 10 years. I have guided many students for CBSE, ICSE, and Olympiad and various competitive examinations. Right? So today I'm going to teach you about linear equation. Fine? So let us start.
Okay, so before that, we'll have a quick presentation, sir. Megham, can we have a presentation, please?
Sure, ma'am. So I welcome you all on the platform for Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is the India's online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. We are the India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation, one of its kind yearly program that includes courses that matter. We are having 8 courses, School Plus program, mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, Vedic maths, and coding. What else we provide? We provide one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes from grade 2 to grade 12, and one-on-one preparation classes for various Olympiads. You can meet our rank holders. These are kids like you only. No need to worry. You just need to spare extra 2 hours from regular studies because Olympiad examination is quite little tougher than the regular curriculum. So we are having live Olympiad sessions, group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors with significant of teaching experience. We are having 3 sessions per week, Tuesday from 8 p.m. till 9:15 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. with 5 minutes of break. This session includes topic-wide mock test and discussion on previous year papers. Student will get the reading material and practice question, which will be available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success platform. And student will also get a free access to Olympiad Success platform to practice the topic-wide mock test. So syllabus is available on this particular link, and the fee of this course is rupees 12,264. It is a 55 session course, and payment can be made by using this link. This fees includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year paper, and access to Olympiad Success platform. What else required? A laptop or desktop with good internet speed and headphones for the better audio clarity. So live classes will be starting from 26th of June 2025. In 2024, Olympiad Success has students from more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about informative PPT. I hope I'm clear to everyone. Show me thumbs up if I'm clear. Okay. All right. Over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, kids, if you can see the screen, I have entered this URL olympiadsuccess.com wherein I'm going to log in. You will be going to log in with your registered email ID. These credentials you'll get once you register with us. So after logging in, you will be going to get your profile details. Check it. In case you find any error, you can update it over there. Okay, and update. So after this, in live classes, you will be going to get your entire material. For that, you need to select your subject and of course topic. So here is a schedule for your reference that in which session you're going to cover which particular topic. Each and every session is bifurcated in different set of number. So test discussion means once you are done with that particular chapter, you will be going to have a test discussion with your mentor. Before that, you'll be going to get a mock test paper and you'll be going to perform it. And coming back in the session, you're going to discuss your scores and doubts with your mentor in that particular chapter. So last, you're going to have a super classes. Super classes means more and more practice, and that you'll be going to have a previous year paper. Here you go with the reading material. So there are 4 sets. I'll be going to show you just one for your reference. This is the material. Here you go with the practice questions. Paper 1. So you can see the questions, quality of questions, type of question, difficulty level, trickiness of the questions. So there are answer keys also, but I recommend you to solve your paper first, then check your answer keys. Okay. So for more practice, you need to go in worksheet section. Again, you need to select your subject. And here you'll get your worksheets. Click on take exam, read instructions. Take this box, start worksheet. Let me fill a random answer means I'm not very much sure. Of course, you need to practice and then you should fill. Moving on next, in this way, you need to fill all your correct answers. Once you're done, you need to submit your worksheet. For that, click on finish button. Yes, I've reviewed all the questions. The best part of our platform is moment you're done, you can check your performance value. For that, click on performance button, select your subject, and here you can see I've attempted this worksheet today. Click on view button, and I have solved just first question. That is correct. Okay. This is how you can have access of your material. Yes, you need to log out and let me stop sharing my screen. Now we are open for the QA round. If anybody is having any doubt, needed clarity, feel free to drop your question in the chat box. Otherwise, show me thumbs up. We'll begin with your demo. And Nuria, Taksh, Rohit, Yajat, we do respect your privacy, but we want you to turn on your camera because in live classes, we don't allow students to sit with cameras off. So quickly turn on your cameras before moving ahead with the teaching part. Thank you, Yajat. Nuria, Taksh, Rohit. It's okay, you can turn it on whether it's not working also. You can click on turn on camera. Then blank screen will come. Any doubt? Ishan, Kunal, Vivan, Nuria, Taksh, Yajat, Rohit. Okay, over to you, Vicky sir.
Can we start, ma'am?
Yes, sir, you can start.
Am I audible to everyone? Ishan, Vivan, Kunal? Raise your hands. Fine. So today I'm going to teach you about algebra. Okay. In algebra, the most important thing is a linear equation. So that is your chapter 2. according to NCERT, so that I'm going to teach you. So my screen is visible to everyone? Ishan, Kunal, is it visible to everyone? Raise your hand. Fine. So today I'm going to teach you about linear equations. So whenever we will study linear equations, so one question comes in your mind, ki, what do you mean by equation? Before a linear, first of all, we should know what do you mean by equation. Okay. So let us see, maybe you are knowing also. So let us see what is equation. Am I audible to everyone? Right. So equation, I will show you two situations. You see, suppose I am writing x plus 3. And in the second case, what I am going to do, I will be writing x plus 3 is equal to 2. So is there any difference between these two? Are you able to find the difference between these two? Raise your hand. Are you able to find the difference? Okay, fine. So what we can see that in the first case, there is not an equal to sign, right? But in the second case, there is equal to sign. Are you able to see here? Equality. This is known as equality, or we say equal to sign. Equal to sign. So whenever we take the word equation, that means the first thing should be, it should have equal to sign. Clear? Are you getting my point? Raise your hand. So equation means that algebraic expression which has equal to sign. The first thing. But in the first case, there is no equal to sign. Are you able to see? There is no equal to sign in the first case. So this will not be considered as equation. So then what it will be considered as? If you know the answer, you write in chat box. In the what is first case known as? If you are knowing that, can you write in the chat box what it is known as? It is known as algebraic expression. It is known as only algebraic expression. So that you are studying from your junior classes. So then also I will be explaining what is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means it will have constant. Do you know what is constant? Constant means any number. Any number, suppose 2, 3, 4, 5. If I'm writing 2, 3, 4, they are known as constant. Why they are known as constant? Because its value fixed, are fixed. We cannot change its value. So an algebraic expression will have constant, and then we can see that one x I have written. So what is x here? So x is known as variable. X is known as variable. X is known as variable. So what is difference between constant and variable? That you have already done in your junior classes. Once again, I'm going to explain. Variables are those things whose value are not fixed. Whose values are not fixed. So in this case, what we can do, sometimes you can see that the x value, we can take 2, x value, we can take 3. Suppose I'm going to find the perimeter of a square. So formula of perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by side. So can we change this 4? Can we change in any condition? Can we change this 4? We cannot change. But this A, that is side, we can take area, side of a square can be 1, side of a square can be 2, side of a square can be 3. Are you getting? Raise your hand. So perimeter equal to 4A. So in this case, P is, those who are getting, just raise your hand. So perimeter is variable. P is variable in this case, A is variable in this case, but 4 is constant. Are you getting, everyone? What do you mean by constant and variable? These things already you have done in your previous classes, class 6 and 7. So an algebraic expression, once again, I'm going to define what is algebraic expression. An algebraic expression consists of variables, constant, connected by plus sign, or you can take minus sign, into sign, or division sign. But as we were discussing about equation, so in equation, equal to sign has to be must. But in algebraic expression, equal to sign is not there. Either you can take or you cannot take. So can we say that all the linear equations are, can we say that all the linear equations are algebraic expression, but all the algebraic expression are not linear equation? Okay, so let us come to our topic once again. So I'm going to explain to you about linear equation. So the first point that I have explained about linear equation is equation, first point, it will have equal to sign. Then do you know the meaning of LHS and RHS? Just write in chat box if you are knowing what is LHS and RHS. Okay. So LHS will be this part. LHS will be this part. And RHS will be, this part. So in case of equation, most important thing that you should know, in case of equation, LHS has to be equal to RHS. LHS has to be equal to RHS. So what is equation? It will have equal to sign and LHS will be equal to RHS. Fine. So can you tell me what value of X I will take here so that my LHS equal to RHS? Can you write in chat box what value of X I will take or I will put in the LHS so that my LHS and RHS will be equal? Everyone? I just want to see you know or not. No, it's not -1. Check once again. It is -1. Okay, fine. So Kunal answer is -1. Ishan is also getting -1. Okay, Vivan is also -1. So do we have any other value other than -1 that will make our LHS equal to RHS? You write in chat box yes or no. Everyone. Can we have any other value? Can we take any other value of X? So all are giving answer no. All are giving answer no. Okay, you all are right. So what we can say that linear equation, till now I have not explained you what is linear. Till now I am explaining equation only. What do you mean by linear? That I have not explained. So now you just keep in your mind that whenever linear equation will be given to us, linear, and how many variables are there in this? Can you tell me how many variables are there in this linear equation? Just write in chat box. Everyone, write in chat box. How many variables are there? Variable 1, yes. Agrita, Vivan, Agrita, Rohit, 1, 1. Very nice, very good. Correct. So one variable. So this is a linear equation in one variable. What is linear? Now I am coming to that. So as if now you should know linear, whenever linear equation is one variable will be there, it will have always one solution. Solution means what answer you have got, na? That x equal to -1. That is known as solution. That I will explain to you in detail. What do you mean by solution? So as if now linear equation in one variable, you should know it will have only one solution. Okay. But in case, okay, now let us come to our topic now. So let us come to our topic. Till now we have already seen what is equation. Once again, I'm going to explain to you. Equation means it will have equal to sign, it will have LHS, and LHS value will be equal to RHS. Fine. So now what do you mean by linear? Do you have any idea what is linear equation? Write in chat. Do you have any idea what is degree of any variable, any algebraic expression? Anyone, what do you mean by degree? Just write in chat. In short, you can write what do you mean by degree? No one knows. Highest power, very good. Kunal, yes, you are right. Okay, fine. So I will be explaining to you first degree. So let us see what do you mean by degree. So before I will explain what is linear. So let us see, everyone just pay attention. This is also very, very important. What do you mean by degree? So as someone has written, degree means highest power. Highest. It is the highest power of the variable. So if I am writing here x plus 3, so that is x plus 3 equal to 5. That is linear equation in one variable. It has degree. What is the highest power of x in this case? Everyone, already we have discussed. The degree will be 1. But in case, if I will be taking the x cube plus x square plus 1. What is the degree? What is the highest power of the variable in this? Can you write in chat box what is the highest power of the variable x? See, there are two x you can see. So Ishan answer is 3. Kunal answer is 3. Correct. Ishan and Kunal, you both are right. And yes, one more boy, he has also given correct answer. So that means you will understood what do you mean by degree is the highest power. So if we compare 3 and 2, so obviously 3 is greater than 2, so its degree will be. So any guesses? Any guess? Now from you people only, I'm asking the definition of linear. Why it is known as linear? Any guesses? Degree? You relate degree with the linear. So what should be the degree of linear equation? You write in chat box. What should be the degree? Very, very good, Kunal. Right answer. Power 1 at max. Very good. Ishan. Right? Yes. Good. So linear equation means equation already explained, and linear means whose degree is 1. Whose degree is 1. So clear to everyone? What do you mean by linear equation? Write in chat box if it is clear what is linear equation. Ishan has written yes, sir. Very, very good, Ishan. Okay, Vivan, yes. Kunal, yes. Very good. Rohit, yes. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So linear equation I have already explained to you. Next thing, now you see something more I just want to discuss with you. Here I have written, I just want to show you some case. Here I have written. Now you can ask, okay, first of all, you see x plus y is equal to 3. Now my question is from all of you that whether is it linear equation? You write yes or no. Is it linear equation or not? My question is it linear equation or not? Just write in chat box. Right? Is it linear equation or not? Some are writing no, sir. Some are writing no. No. Why it is no? According to my definition, linear equation, it will have equal to sign. So the first condition was the equation equal to sign. The first condition is ticked correct only. And the second condition I have told you ki its power will be 1. So if I will ask you ki what is the degree of this? May I know what is the degree of this equation? Everyone? Just write in chat. What is the degree of this? X plus y equal to whatever I have written equal to 3. Just write. Then 1. Then why you have written ki it is not a linear equation? Yes, Kunal has written, sir, it has 2 variable linear equation. Yes, fine, you are right, Kunal. So I have asked whether it is linear equation or not. So Kunal, you are right. Yes, it is a linear equation. It is a linear equation. Very good, Kunal. But then in your mind, one question can come. Then it looks little bit different than the previous equation. It is linear. How many variables are there in this? Write in chat box. How many variables are there? 2. Very good. So it is linear equation in 2 very good. Okay, you are right. So it will be considered as linear equation, but it will have 2 variables. Now, if I will ask you, can you tell me what value of x and y will satisfy this equation? Now, in this case, both x and y value you have to find because there are 2 variables in this. May I know what value of x and y will satisfy this equation? Just try. 2. 1 and 2, very good. Isan. Yes. Yajat, yeah. We want 2 and 1, yes. -5 and 8, yes. You are also right. So what is the conclusion? Now you think in that case, 1 x plus 2 equal to 3 and x plus y equal to 3. So how you are finding these 2 equations are different in terms of solution? Any guesses? Any guess from your side? In terms of solution, I have asked. Because last time you have told ki sir, ki x plus 2 equal to 3. This was the first equation that I have explained to you. So in that you have told ki x will be equal to -1. Other value will not satisfy this, right? Other value of x will not satisfy. Everyone was agreed. But in this case, someone says ki x equal to 2, y equal to 1, x equal to 3, y equal to 0. Someone has written x equal to -5 and 8 equal to 0. And I have not said ki any of the answers are wrong. Then what is the difference then? In linear equation in 1 variable and in linear equation in 2 variable in terms of solution. Now from your end, I just want the answer in terms of solution. Just write in short. You can write. Very good, Kunal. Excellent. He has written, sir. It can have many solutions, which has linear equation in two variables. He is right. Yes, Ajat, you have also written very good. Linear equation, only one solution possible. Okay. Linear equation in one variable has one solution. Linear equation in two variable has many solutions. So are you agreed with this? Everyone? Raise your hand. Those who are agreed. Linear equation in one variable has one solution and linear equation in two equation has many solutions. Kunal and Vivan has raised the hand. Very good. Okay. Okay. One more boy has raised hand. Very good. Excellent. So as you have learned this linear equation in one variable and linear equation in two variable. So how to find the solution of linear equation in two variable, because linear equation in one variable, maybe you have a simple equation you might have done in class 7 or 6. I just want to show you. Okay. Suppose if I am writing key x by 3 plus 4 is equal to 5. How many of you are knowing this? How to solve this? Raise your hand. This thing already you have done in class 7. Okay. You can use raise your hand option is there. Just raise your hand. Daksh has only raised. Okay. Kunal is also raising it. Okay, fine. Okay, everyone is knowing. Fine. Okay. So you all are knowing how to. Okay. Now the thing is, the main theme is that why we study linear equation. What is the use of linear equation in our day-to-day life? That question can come in your mind. Why? So you can ask, sir, what is the use of linear equation in one variable or two variable in our day-to-day life? So I will be writing one situation. You just see it. I'm going to write one situation. I'm taking one notebook. Okay, one notebook I have taken. Its cost I have taken rupees X. And one I have taken pen. And its cost, one pen only, its cost I have taken Y. Now one situation I'm giving. If the cost of pen, no, the cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. So how to express this in the form of linear equation? Can you write in chat box? You try, no problem. Even you can write wrong also. Means you have to write linear equation in two variable. X or Y has to be there. X or Y has to be there. Everybody just try. Just try. Let me see. Okay, one I will be explaining. Not an issue. So first of all, let us write first Y and X. Y I have written. X I have written. Now how both are connected? So we will read the question. The question is, the cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. So as it is linear equation, so we have to give X. That is compulsory. Now 2 will be multiplied in LHS or RHS. That can you write in chat box? 2 we will write in LHS or RHS. it will be multiplied with RHS. So this will be the equation for this. The cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. So its equation will be, sorry, it will be the cost of notebook. So X was the cost of notebook, right? So X was the cost of notebook and the notebook cost is twice the cost of pen. So whichever less quantity will be there, that side we have to multiply with 2. So pen cost is less or notebook cost is less. Can you write in chat box at least this question? Very easy. Which has less cost, pen or notebook? Pen. Fine, very good, very good. Okay. You are right. So we have to multiply with the lesser one. So its equation will be X will be equal to 2y. Is it clear to everyone? Write in chat box. Why are you agreed with my equation X equal to 2y? Or y will be equal to 2x? Because many of the students confused in this. So it will be X plus 2y. One more situation I'm going to take. The present age of father. One more situation I'm going to take. Let us see one more cases. So this time, this is much more related to our day-to-day life. The present age of father is double or twice the present age of son. And you can take the father as X and son as Y. Can you write the equation? Father is X and son is Y. Everybody write down the equation and write in chat box. The present age of father is twice the present age of son. Write down. X equal to 2y. Very, very good. Correct. Vivan correct. Correct. Now you people learn how to write. Okay. Okay. In case if I would have given the present age of father is two more than twice the present age of son, then how our equation will be changed? Okay, that we will discuss later. So my focus was why we are learning linear equation. What is the use of linear equation in day-to-day life? So using linear equation in two variable or one variable or three variable, we can do a lot of problem in our day-to-day life. That we will be doing later, right? So once again, I'm going to conclude whatever thing we have discussed today, and that I'm going to ask from you only, in short only. So today I have taught you what is linear equation. So everybody write down only main points you will write. What is equation? Just write down in chat box. Which sign equal to sign should have? Just write down in chat box. What is equation? Today I have taught you, no? What is equation? And you might be knowing also. So what is the most important sign for equation? Can you write in chat box? Okay, equal to sign should be there, Ishan. Very, very good. More answer I'm waiting. Equal, it has to be equal to sign. Whenever the word equation comes in your mind, it will have equal to sign. If I will be writing Taksh and Ishan, I have one question from you. X is greater than 3. This question from everyone, X is greater than 3. So is it equation? Tell me yes or no. No, sir. Very, very good. Because it is not an equal to sign. There is no equal to sign. Okay. Very, very good. No, everybody learned. Okay. After that, we have learned what is linear. So equation, what is equation? Everybody learned. That's very nice. Next is linear. What is linear? Everyone, what is the degree of linear equation? Write down in chat box 1, 1, 1. Very good. Good, good. That also you have learned. Now, how many solutions does a linear equation in one variable? Write down fast. How many solutions does linear equation in one variable? Very good. And how many solutions does linear equation in two variable? How many solutions does linear equation in two variable? It can have many solutions, many solutions. Very, very good. Everybody learn. Very nice. Okay. Many solutions. That's good. Okay, fine, good. Okay. Okay, fine. So now I will be writing one linear equation in two variable, and all of you will find out the solution. It is not necessary that everyone will be getting the same answer. Okay, answer may vary because you have already seen key linear equation in two variable as many solutions. So I'll be writing one case, right? X plus y is equal to 5. Write down the solution. Write down its 5 solutions. Everyone, right? Answer may vary. Everybody write in chat box 5, 5 or 3, 3. 3 and 2, correct. 1 and 4, minus 7 and 12, minus 1 and 6. 4 answer has already come. Very good. Okay. Okay. And all of them have given different answer. That is also. So everyone answer I am going to take. So Ishan has first given X will be 2. X will be 2. And no, yes. Taken X equal to 3. And Y will be equal to. Very good. Ishan answer. Then second one, V1 has told X will be equal to 4 and Y equal to 1. He is also right. Then third one, Ajat has got X equal to minus 7 and Y equal to 12. That is also correct. So like this, many solutions we can find. So is it clear to everybody? You can find linear equation in two variable solutions. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, okay, good. Yes, sir. Okay, fine. Very good. So now I will be teaching you word problem because that is the very interesting part, and sometimes students find it tough also. So let me take some equation, okay, based on linear equation. So I am writing V1 has ₹5 more than one more. Who was there? One more issue. Alok. And V1 you can take as X. V1 you can take as X. And Alok you can take as Y. So you write linear equation in two variables for this condition. Will you be able to write? Just write it in chat box, everyone. V1 has ₹5 more than Alok. V1 has X and Alok has Y. Try, you can do mistake, no problem. At least you try. So you have to write X and Y, and equal to sign should be there. After that, what modification you have to do, that you have to just find it by your own. You have to do by your own. Nobody is able to do? Not an issue. Answer came. X equal to Y plus 5. Yajat, yes. X is equal to, you are right. Ishan is also correct. Ivan is also correct. Yes, you people are able to. Very, very good. Okay. Okay, nice. Let me take some more questions. Okay, let us discuss little bit about graph also. Okay, do you know, because someone has written, I have a problem in graph. So you have studied graph, histogram. Maybe histogram you have not studied because that is there in class 9. You might have studied bar graph, right? Bar graph. So how to draw the graph of linear equation in two variable, x equal to 3? Anyone knows this? Right, yes or no? How to draw graph of x equal to 3? Pie chart you have to study in class 8. You might have studied. Yeah, Ishan agreed. Ishan, do you know Ishan, Vivan, Vyajat, ki Taksh, x equal to 3, how to draw the graph? Yes or no, you write fast. Oh, Ishan is knowing, Taksh is not know, sir. Okay. Okay, fine. So let us explain. So how to draw? First of all, we have to take two axes. Number line, everyone knows. There, what is number line? So this is, suppose, a number line, horizontally I have taken, and one number line I have taken vertically. Okay. So there will be two axes you have to draw. So this will be our x-axis. This will be our x-axis, and this will be our y-axis. Okay. So here, as you know that in number line, right hand side we have to take positive number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand side we have to take negative number. Everyone knows that. Yeah. Showing this -2, -3, and -4. Okay. Upside here also positive. 1, 2, 3. Equal distance has to be equal. You cannot take unequal distances. This I have drawn randomly, so it can be unequal. But this is when you draw on graph paper, it has to be equal. Okay. So this will be -1. This will be -2. This will be -. So my question was, draw the graph of x equal to 3. So in this case, my x value has been fixed. X value is 3. Y you can take 1. X will be again 3. Y you can take 2. 1. So that's it for today. So how was the session? Just right. What means whatever thing we have discussed today, whether you have learned or not, yes or no, right? You can write no also. Like that. Everyone is writing yes. Very good. Okay, all of you. Okay, thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for paying attention.